We have peeps. We have purple peeps, which you can't see because of the light, and we have yellow peeps.
They've already been opened and slightly eaten.
Yeah, it's kind of sad. We were supposed to have our first peeps together, and someone started eating
I was
one.
traitors.
She's a horrible person.
I didn't know we were not allowed to eat them.
So now we're gonna eat our first peeps together. But I have
whole peep.
yeah. But I have to open mine still.
They're very sugary.
I think that we should trade a tray each. So you can have a tray of my purple ones, and I can have a tray of your yellow ones.
I think their eyes are made of chocolate.
It does sort of look like that, doesn't it? Did you know that in Nerdfighteria City, the roads are paved with peeps? Ooh, there's lots of sugar on the bottom of the plastic.
I know, it's good.
Okay.
If they're paved with peeps,
It must be very springy and nice.
do they melt in the summer?
That'd be awesome! So I have melted peeps stuck to the bottom of my feet because it's summer in Nerdfighteria City. That'd be awesome.
For you.
Ah, that's for you. Tips. Okay, grab your peep. Tips. Tips.
Is that the whole thing?
Mm-hmm. It's amazing. Yeah.
Tastes like those little strawberry things.
Except for not strawberry flavored, they're peach flavored.
I bet off.
The horrible person you. They're so good. I just ate a peep!
I'm still eating a peep.
This is the most exciting moment of my life. I'm gonna eat a yellow one now. Purple. Purple.
Purple.
Tearful?
Purple.
Oh.
This looks sad.
Aww. Because you're about to eat it.
Not sad anymore.
Caleb calls them poops.
Why?
Because he thinks they're gross. I don't understand how you can think these things are gross. They're little pieces of colorful heaven.
Marshmallow goodness.
Oh. I don't think I want to eat more than two, though.
Yeah.
They're really sweet.
Yeah.
Marshmallowy and sugary and
I'll just eat the sugar and
delicious. I might have to ask you for a plastic bag to take them home in.
Yes. How did I get sick?
Je ne sais pas. Woo! That works. Good? Okay, so this is like the most exciting day of my life.
Yay!
Yay! Peeps!